Get ready for some strong winds to be around late this evening on into the overnight hours. Strong enough where we could see some spotty power outages or some tree limbs coming down. That's why it's an impact night. Now, we also have the opportunity for some spotty showers this evening. Better chances for passing showers will hold off in the forecast until late Friday evening into Saturday morning. Shower chances will be out there for your Sunday, and then we're talking a big cool down early next week. First taste of wintry weather returns to the Susquehanna Valley. Before this evening, we're talking wind gusts possibly in excess of 35 miles per hour, at times greater than 40 miles per hour in some locations. Winds, I'd say from York to Harrisburg and points to the east, still relatively light, but they're starting to pick up in our western communities, gusting now to 24 miles per hour in Cashtown, 32 miles per hour in Lewistown, even higher in some locations just off to our west like Altoona, up to 40 miles per hour. In addition to that, we are monitoring a line of showers coming in from the northwest. A little bit of thunder and lightning embedded in this line. I do expect this line of showers and some isolated thunderstorms will weaken, but the winds will continue to be strong. So some spotty showers over the next couple of hours as the winds intensify, possibly gusting up to near 50 miles per hour as temperatures start falling into the upper 50s this evening. Winds will stay up through the night tonight as the clouds decrease. May see an isolated shower lingering to early overnight hours. Lows tonight will be in the low to mid 40s. And then for tomorrow, the winds will slowly drop through the day. It's still going to be a breezy day. It's just the winds will not be as intense as this evening and tonight. Highs will be in the mid to upper 50s with wind gusts up to near 30 miles per hour. So we're staying dry for your Thursday. Shower chances rise late Friday evening, and some of those showers will linger into Saturday morning. It's on Sunday we'll have better chances for on and off showers through the day, but highs both days will be seasonable, topping off in the low to mid 60s. Made it to the upper 60s today. 67 was the high today at the airport. 37 was the low. Temperatures have stayed close to that mark as we've gone through this evening because the winds have escalated. Right now, 65 degrees in Hershey with winds at 24 miles per hour. It's 62 right now in Lebanon, 64 if you're watching us in Elizabethtown, 63 currently in Hanover. I do want to show you the big picture. Notice it's cooler in the north, warmer in the south. Usually when you see temperatures go from cool to warm and you don't have big changes, you have a fast moving jet stream. So here's the first storm system bringing in the winds and a few showers. But our next storm system gets here on Friday and it's all the way back off the coast of California. So it's quickly going to cross over the country and eventually bring in some cooler air for the weekend ahead. So watch what happens here on the predictor. Just some spotty showers, but man, oh man, may hear the winds whipping through the night tonight. Winds will finally start to relax a bit after sunrise, but it is going to be a blustery, fairly sunny day out there across the Susquehanna Valley. Friday, look for temperatures to rebound into the 60s out there, and then it's late in the evening. We could see some spotty showers. I do want to show you the extended version here of the predictor. Notice Saturday we dry back out. Much of the day is going to be dry, but the rain chances will ramp up on Sunday, and then cooler air will move on in. And yes, we're talking the threat for some snow over western Pennsylvania. Could see some flakes out there trying to mix in with some showers as we head on into Monday, and temperatures will be a lot cooler. So we're back into the 60s after tomorrow for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs only in the 40s for Monday and Tuesday of next week. News 8 at 6 will be back after this.